Hello everyone, it's Adam here with Expert Garden Route, and I have a question for you. Why didn't this transporter bus cross the road? Well, because this cam belt broke. If you take a closer look, you'll see what I'm saying. So this belt is a prime example of why we always check when last your cam belt has been done on a service. As you can see, this cam belt is past its expiry, and what has happened is these physical teeth on the belt has stripped off. This is of course because the belt is too old and it's become brittle. So what happens when your cam belt breaks? Well, your cam belt is responsible for keeping your camshafts and your crankshafts in sync. It ensures that the valves open when they're supposed to, that they close when they're supposed to, and that your engine runs in harmony. When your cam belt breaks, it means that your engine has no longer control over when your valves open and close, and therefore your pistons work into your valves. If you take a closer look, you'll see these rocker arms, which are responsible for opening your valves, are broken off. That means that this engine no longer has compression, and we have to fix it.